Variables could be changed during the runtime. As an example, I say them I as integer, and after defining, we could assign value I equal, let's say, 3 and message box I. Of course, we have the 3 values. But let's say instead of that, I have the pi number. And as you know, the pi number won't change at all in any conditions. And of course, to type it as different, for example, I say double. However, I won't use many decimal places. And if I say 3.14 and by mistake I do some calculation or change it, for example, I say I equal 3.50 and the name I changed pi, alright, and show that. Of course, first time gonna assign the 3.14, then gonna assign 3.5, and there it is the result. But if you want to prevent that because pi never gonna change, instead of using the keyword dim, we're using const. And if I click somewhere else, you see it is compiler error. You have to assign value exactly here. So instead of these, allow me to remove it. I say equal 3.14. Now if I run my code something like that, constant, pi as double with this value, of course we have 3.14. And look at what's happening here if I say pi equal 3.5. If I start running, we have compiler error, assignment to constant not permitted. So this is ideal to prevent by mistake reassign the value won't supposed to be changed at all. In this case, we're using constants, and only after defining, you have to assign the value, and you cannot change the values during the code of running.